now it is time to decorate. Okay, we're in the basement. You can tell 1950s when this house was built, but these are our decorations. This one we've had for a long time. You can put like Christmas cards in these little pockets, so that one's cute. And then I let the kids decorate however they wanted down here. It was fun. This was from Target Dollar Spot, of course. This little guy, that's cute. All these have such good memories. I mean, I know they're not fancy, but I didn't want to spend a lot on Christmas this year. It was just one of those things where the kids had fun putting these up, I had fun watching them, you know.
2005.
Pluto. Look at Pluto.
Ew,
Where did you get this one?
when I was
You.
Lily.
Look at her. Hold on, I get one.
That'd be pretty nice.
2009.
Alright. Daddy, we have another light.
Ask him to cut this
Careful.
part off, the tag.
Perfect. So let's talk about our Christmas tree. Last night we're putting the lights on, and we found that most of them were burned out. So we don't have a lot of lights in the first place, but we went ahead and just used one size light down here on the bottom. It's kind of tiny, and then a totally different size of a different strand of lights on the top here. And you know where I'll be the day after Christmas. I'll be getting some lights when they're on those crazy after Christmas Day sale. Planning on making it work until then. But we don't have one of those really pretty Christmas trees. We have really traditional ones. The kids love it. There's all these different memories on the ornaments and all that. But I've done those really pretty Christmas trees before when I did one myself. It was like an artificial one, and I decorated it myself, and I had all the matching ornaments, and it was really pretty. And I might do that again in the future, but for now, for this year, I just did not have the time, and let's be honest, the energy to put into that. So this is it for this year. I got these pillows at Home Goods last year, those cute Christmas tree pillows. Then there's this cute little snow guy. This mirror has a crack in it, so I've been trying to be creative with how to cover it up before we just get a new one. And so we've got, let me see if I can zoom in. There's little Sophia. These pictures are always cracking me up. Here it is, Olivia when she was like 4, not loving Santa Claus. This is how the dining room turned out. I didn't go crazy in here, just kept it kind of simple, but we have these, I really like how this turned out with these shelves. It was this Noel and Joy. I got those on sale the day after Christmas last year, and I thought, I'm not sure where they'll go, how they'll work, but I kind of like them on these shelves. Then this little table setup is usually where the Christmas tree is right now, so we kind of moved it in here to make room for the Christmas tree. And hopefully there will be some Christmas cookies on that snowman soon. And then here's how the kitchen turned out. I don't know, y'all. Don't know. We've had those forever. Here's the other one. This is the little coffee bar, and the kids made this. I thought it was so cute. It's this, it's like hot chocolate, and they put some peppermint sticks in there, and then the little sign says hot cocoa. So I thought that was so cute, and they really do have it at snack time every day. They have a cup of hot chocolate while I have a cup of coffee. And then I found this plaid throw at Home Goods this year. It's like supposed to be a throw blanket, I guess, but I used it to cover that box, and then I put the frame on top just as like some decoration for this corner. It's kind of a weird corner to decorate. And then the snowflakes in the window, those are from Target Dollar Spot, so we just kind of hung those up there. Little Sophia. And who else feels like this girl most days with all of her Christmas presents? I thought these towels were so cute. I got them at Home Goods also. Merry Christmas, everybody.